Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with me, Latisha McKinney. And welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. You guys, I am so super excited to be back behind the camera because you know I'm like more a behind the camera person. So I'm so sorry I have been doing so many hands-on, but I am thankful to be back in front of the camera, okay? So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial. And this tutorial is for people that pretty much already know how to do baskets and gift sets. And I just didn't want to just miss my day that I post my video. So I just went on and took some clips for you guys and how I customize this basket for my client. You know, sometimes you get a client that just doesn't know what to, they're like, I don't know what to give them. I don't know what to place in there. So I'm just giving you guys some pointers on things, to just kind of ask the client, things that you can do, things to add, things not to add, just some things, just sharing it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you're not a part of our community, what are you waiting on? At the end of this video, you're going to see my face. And what you're going to do, you're going to click it. And when you click it, you are in the Glam Club. You are officially in the Glam Club. And once you do that, I want you to do one more thing for me. You're going to turn on your bell. It's like a bell reminder, bell ringer, bell notifier. There, I got all these names for it. But what it is, it's just something that notifies you to let you know every time that I upload a video. Because I've been back on YouTube for about, a month? And a lot of people don't know that. And so I'm like, they were like, Tisha, where you been? I'm like, I have been here, honey. I've been here for a month. Turn on your bell ringer. So I just want to let you guys know that. Make sure that you share this video, like this video if you like it. And if you have any suggestions, any questions, leave your comments, everything down below. You know that I respond to every single comment and every question. You guys have a blessed day, a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Blessings abundantly. Bye, everyone. Okay, so we want to find out things that they love so we can coordinate it into one style or theme, and remember to stay within your client's budget. So these are some things I found out. She loved like scented oils, body creams, and perfumes. So that's like an A+ on our list. Now, when it comes down to purses, she is not flashy at all. So let's be careful with that. Now, she does love fashion jewelry, but she's not aggressive with it, so we want to keep that in mind. Now, this is a cute makeup bag, but she's not a huge makeup fan, so I'm not going to get this just because it matches our color theme, so we want to keep things that she absolutely loves. Now, we did go to Bath & Body Works, and we picked up her favorite Japanese cherry blossom, and they didn't have it in that set. So this girl named Avery, she's so absolutely great. She was so sweet to customize it for me, so thank you so much. So we had to get rid of this 1,000 Wishes, and she customized it for me and placed in my customer favorite scent. Thank you, Avery. Now, this is something that I always remember to ask my clients. Is there anything else or special that you would like for me to place inside of your gift box or gift set? So here are the items that we're going to be using. However, we're not going to be using this glass mug. It's okay to voice your opinion. I told them that I feel as if this is more like a keeper safe for a first-time mom, and they totally agreed. So, of course, we replaced them with the heart-beaded crystal candle holder that you do see in the back. They absolutely loved it, and we're going to go with only one of those, no problem. So now for the fun part, let's start decorating the inside. So before we place anything in it, we do want to make sure it's clean. Now for my bedding area, I'm going to be using flowers. I would not be using shredded paper or boxes. You guys know I'm Latisha, so I got to do something different. So I'm going to be doing the 3, 6, 9, 12 method. And I will be doing some tutorials on different ways that I customize my flowers and floral arrangements. This is what it looks like. And you know where I see white, I am going to add something to it. And this is what I added to it. Isn't that cute? I like that I picked it up from Michael's, and I found another spot where I need to place one at, and I'm just going to secure that with hot glue. Now, When we turn it over on the bottom part, we're going to add 4 glue dots, 3, 6, 9, 12 again, because I don't like using hot glue because the hot glue will like totally damage it when they lift it up. So I use glue dots. And all you do is just going to turn it over, place it inside of the box and press down and it's secure. Now right here, I just added some beautiful decorative tissue paper that I got from the Dollar Tree and just covered it up just to kind of get everything excited to see what more they have inside the box. Now, if you have like little smaller jewelry pieces like earrings, you can use these Dollar Tree boxes. They're cute. Now we're going to secure everything with this plastic gift bag that you can also pick up from the Dollar Tree. Now once you have closed your box and you have placed your items on top of your box the way that you want everything to be in position, do not hot glue anything down yet. Just make sure everything is where you want it to be. Now once everything is in the correct position where you can see it, then you can go ahead and start glue dotting your items down. Do not use hot glue because it would damage either the item or the box. Now remember that you want all of your items to be seen. Now when it comes down to doing the bow, don't worry about it. Dollar Tree has some bows that you can just pull a string, or pull 2 strings, and you're good to go. So let me show you how we're doing that. They're going to have 2 strings on there, right there, like between where the ribbon meets, and all you do is just going to pull it down. Well, it's going to like do a pull down, pull up. As you pull down, it's going to pull up and it's going to release this beautiful bow, so no worries. And if you don't want to go with that, they have several that you can choose from. So as some of us know, we know to cut a small piece of the plastic bag on the side to release the air from it because we want to tighten our bag. So make sure that you do that. Okay, so we know once we've already cut that, we're going to tape it down and we're going to pull her up and she's ready to take off. So thank you guys so much for tuning in with me, for showing you guys this quick tutorials for everyone who already know how to do baskets but just want to do something a little different. And remember to enjoy your journey in life and have fun doing it in Christ. Blessings.